To find the commit which reverted to the controls, first I'll type git log. Now I don't see a commit with the message revert controls yet, so I'll press the down arrow and scroll down. And here it is. Since I've found it, I'll press Q to quit out of git log. So this is the commit ID of the commit that reverted the controls. It starts with B067. Now I want to see how many lines were introduced in this commit. Remember that the changes introduced by this commit will be different from the previous commit. So I can copy this commit ID, type git diff, and paste it, and then I'll copy and paste this commit ID. Now I can just count up the lines that have changed. So far there's 2 insertions and 2 deletions. I'll scroll down. Another insertion and deletion, so that's 3 each. Another, so 4 each. And I'll press Q to quit git diff. So the correct commit ID started with B067, and there were 4 lines added and 4 lines deleted by that commit.